over the next 3 weeks we're going to install 167 kilowatts of power using 607 440 watt JA solar panels. We chose all black panels for this system so that their presence does not detract from the aesthetics of the building and the environment that they sit in.